Hello and welcome to Laurice's Kitchen. Let's grill. The weather has finally started to turn nice and I've got a beautiful pork loin to use. So I'm making a roasted marinated pork loin with roasted sweet onions. My grill is already preheating, so let's see what we're gonna need. This is my 3-pound pork loin roast. 2 days ago, I cross-hatched it on both sides. And then put it in a marinade of pepper, salt, thyme, lemon juice, and canola oil. This marinated for 2 days, and I turned it on the second day. This is going on that preheated grill. In addition to the pork, I'm also going to be roasting some onions on the grill. So we're just going to cut the tops and bottoms off. Peel these. Then each of these is getting topped with just a little bit of this Better Than Bouillon beef bouillon paste. These will be going in aluminum foil. I'm using this grill pan to support the onions. I'm starting this fat side down. I'm keeping my grill between 325 and 350 and I am not turning that pork loin. That's going to roast for about an hour. Once the hour is over with, I'll probably turn up the heat and just give it a little bit of color on the top if it isn't already brown. Okay, in case you can't tell, it is really windy today, so I've had a hard time keeping the grill at temperature. So let me check this. Okay, that actually looks really good. I'm going to turn this over so I can get some grill marks on this side. That looks beautiful. All right, we'll leave it like this for about 5 to 10 minutes. That looks beautiful. I've got this tented, and I'm going to let this sit for about 10 minutes while I wait for the rest of my dinner to get done. Let's give this pork a taste. I have my knife here. Oop, get a little bit. Oh, that's so tender from the marinade. Oh, a little bit of juice. Oh my heavens. So good. Wait, is that one still going?
Yeah.
Okay, look how tender that is. Oh yeah. Get some of this too. He can't wait for this either. And Dixie. And Gorderoy.